Welcome back to this YouTube channel. After this video, you'll be able to spot imbalance candle in the market and find your entry, a snapper entry to make money using smart money strategy. I'm doing this video because of this comment I saw under one of my video, which said that I wish you could find the easiest way to explain this, but I know you will. Thanks for teaching us. So guys, I'm going to explain in the easiest way as this guy requested for you to understand how this smart money strategy works on boom and crash. After this video, you will able to understand to the simplest form of this strategy. I know I have done some explanation on this strategy. I have done some illustration, but in this video, I will still bring it to the simplest understanding. My name is Akinola King. I'm the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. I welcome you back to this YouTube channel. So, guys, first of all, like I always said, you have to go to daily time frame to check the market structure. And what is the market structure we are looking at? These are the market structure. You know, the market is forming higher high, higher low, which indicates uptrend. You understand? So everybody knows that. So after that, you go to your 1 hour time frame. So we execute trade on either 5 minutes or 15 minute time frame. Let's say 5 minute time frame is fine. So on 1 hour time frame, what are you looking at? You have seen that the market is in a spike trend. That is uptrend for boom. This is boom. So sorry, I didn't inform you about that. This is boom 500 market. You understand? The strategy is effective in any market, including volatility, step index, range and even currency pair, any market. So now you will look out for, I have explained how imbalance candle look in the market. You understand? Let me first of all use this as an example. You can see that this is a three candle, right? One, two, three. This is a balance candle. The reason why it's balanced is because the first candle cover almost more than half of this, half of the second candle, and the third candle always also cover the whole body of the second candle. So these candles, this inner candle is a very balanced candle because if you look at the left side and the right side, it has partners. Let's put it in that way. It doesn't stand alone. You understand? Same thing applicable to this candle also. If you look at the candle that closed before it, it cover almost half of it, and the next candle that comes cover almost 100%. You can see it's the long wick. You can see the long wick, it's cover. So this candle is not alone. It has partner both left and the right, and they are balanced candle. You understand? So if we are now talking about the imbalance candle, let's check these three candle now. You understand? Look at the candle that closed before this candle. Then look at this. If you see this candle very well, you will see that if you look at the right side and the left side, there's nothing. It is imbalanced candle. You understand? So smart money guys, they call it fair value gaps. They call it fair value gaps with the sense that they expect price to come back and fill this gap. They expect price to come back, and most of the time, price will come back there. Most of the time, price will surely come back, and you can see that price come back already to fill up this gap, including this one too. Price come back to fill it. So how do we apply this to boom and crash? If you are catching spike with this simple thing I just explained now, you can see that all these plays, they are imbalance candle. All this spike, if you go to 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes, that is a long time spike. You can see a very long time spike in the market. You can see continuation of spike. Understand? So What do? We wait for price to come and fill up all this gap. That is, we are waiting for a retracement in normal market to come back and fill up this gap. So we need something like this to happen. We need something like this to happen. We need something like this to happen. This will be red. We need something like this. We need something like this. We need something like this. This is 1 hour actually. It may be longer than this. I'm just So you understand what I mean? Saying we need something like this to come back and fill up all this gap. Once we're able to see the candle falling to fill up this gap, then we wait for a spike, wait for something like this to happen on 5 minute time frame. Once we're able to see this on 5 minute time frame, once we're able to see this spike on 5 minute time frame, then we are good to go. You understand? That is as simple as this strategy is. So I'm going to show you, you can see that there's a trade on my chart, though this is a demo account, you understand? I have already closed the trade on my real account, so I just leave it to know where it's going to get to. So how did I have this entry? You understand? I know that the market is already going to uptrend. I mean, daily time frame, I've already confirmed that. Then I see that these three candle now, there is a gap here. There's a gap there. So, and I'm expecting price to come back to that gap. So, if you go to lower time frame, that's a very wide one actually. But it may not be fair. It may not be gap. It may not be imbalance on the smaller time frame. But that's why I always use daily time frame 1 hour and 5 minutes for entry. You understand? So this is how it happens. I see that there is a gap here. So then I waited for price to come back into this gap. Then I waited for a spike to happen on 5 minute time frame. Then I pick out my entry. So let's go to 5 minute time frame and pick out this thing to actually see how the entries look like. Okay. I entered at the second of this spike. Is this the entry? I'm not sure. Okay, I think this is a drawdown. This is a drawdown. This is a drawdown, I think. I think I enter from here. This is a drawdown. Yes, I put my stop loss somewhere here. This is a drawdown, then the spike begin to happen back. You understand? So once you're able to have that knowledge in your head, so it will reduce your loss. It will reduce your loss like magic. You understand? Your win, it will maximize your profit for you. You will just see that every trade you are placing is profitable. It's profitable trades. You understand? So you just have to be patient to make sure what you are looking for are meet up already before placing the trade. So guys, the next video I'm going to explain how to use this particular strategy trading volatility market. So I want you to stay tuned. Go to your chart, go to your demo account, demo trading strategy. doesn't require any indicator at all. So I may be dropping some videos on how to use one or two indicator with this strategy. So just back it up, you understand, to for confirmation, especially RSI ADX and MACD. You understand, I'm going to drop some videos on how to use them with this strategy. So guys, I wish you happy trading. If you have any comments like this guy that bring up this video, so you can also drop your comment. I'm going to attend to it. um Always trade responsible, don't forget that.